Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itong energies na inyong kaperahan ngayong February 2026. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo or magfa-follow sa inyo to offer services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts, mga scammers po yan. Okay? So, let's begin. Aquarius, kaperahan, February 2026. What's the energy of your money? Money, money, money for Aquarius. Okay. Overall energy. Possible challenge, opportunity, blessing. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Be more patient, Aquarius. Kasi yung hinihintay nyo darating na, okay? Kailangan lang talaga, may patience ka. Kasi 'di ba? Alam nyo kasi may mga nasasayang na oras. Kung naka-focus ka doon sa resulta ng hinihintay mo. So, halimbawa, nagtanim ka ng puno or kung ano man yung tinanim mo, syempre, buto pa yan. Hindi naman pwedeng nakatingin ka dyan hanggang sa umusbong yan, 'di ba? Syempre may ibang buhay kang kailangang gawin. May mga kailangang eksena ka sa buhay na kailangang i-accomplish. So, this is about you na pagiging more productive habang may hinihintay ka. Kasi kapag productive ka habang may hinihintay ka, nakakalimutan mo na, ay, may hinihintay pala ako. Tapos, parang hindi na siya matagal hintayin kasi nalibang ka na. 'Di ba? So, darating na yan. Ayan o, Wheel of Fortune. This is change. Itong change na to is something that needs to happen. Like, hindi siya dahil ginawan mo ng action, kung hindi dahil sa dapat siyang mangyari. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring naghihintay kayo ng opportunity sa work, sa career ninyo, and suddenly, may, oops, ito yung sayo, ito yung para sayo, ganon, pagbabago. Okay? So, hindi kasi lahat na nagkakaroon ng ganong klaseng pagbabago na na biglaan. Ito, example. Minsan kasi nga lang, nagiging uncomfortable yung pagbabago na yon. Halimbawa, sa trabaho mo, you've been working all your life, no? Tapos, and then, naghihintay ka ng promotion. Hindi dumarating yung promotion na yon. Tapos, biglang boom, na-retrench ka, nilay off ka, tinanggal ka sa trabaho, gulat ka. Bakit ganun? Ni-expect mo nga mapopromote ka. Kasi nga, ibig sabihin, wala ka ng control doon because there is something that needs to change in your trajectory ng life mo, sa career mo. Kasi wala doon yung opportunity for you. Na imagine, you've been staying there for a long time and then you feel like parang ang bagal ng progress. And then si universe, sasabihin niya talaga sa'yo na, uy, umalis ka na kasi dyan. merong ibang opportunity for you. And syempre, hindi ito magre-resonate para sa lahat. But for some of you, if you are in a job right now, like trabaho mo, may trabaho ka, may career ka, you are meant to be on your own. You are meant to be a freelancer, self-employed, may business, ganon. Ayan o. Wheel of Fortune, the Emperor. And itong opportunity na to is related pa sa dati mong gustong gawin. Na pwedeng isinantabi mo, hindi mo pinansin, kasi feeling mo hindi siya practical noong time na yon. But you're going to be given an opportunity to explore that. I think you've been manifesting this, na parang minamanifest mo na mapunta ka dun sa landas na kung saan magpapaunlad talaga sa'yo. O, di ayun ang nangyari, tapos biglang nawalan ka ng trabaho. Anong ibig sabihin nun? So, yun yung paraan para mapunta ka dun sa landas na magpapaunlad sa'yo. So, your overall energy, the Four of Wands, this is celebratory energy. Merong stability. May happiness. Yung iba sa inyo, you really know what you want. Okay? You have the abilities para maging successful. Yung iba lang, nakasanayan nyo na kasi kung ano yung sitwasyon nyo ngayon. Kaya parang feeling nyo, doon lang talaga. But You know, Aquarius kasi ruled by Uranus. Uranus is about the planet of change. Okay? And also ruled by Saturn. Saturn rules structure. This is the structural change for you na pangmatagalan. Oo. Now, your challenge is the Six of Pentacles. Pwede kasing hindi balance ngayon yung sitwasyon mo, feeling mo, hindi, wala kang kakayanan na gawin yon, isa katuparan yon dahil may kulang, 'di ba? But, if you really want it, gagawa ka ng paraan. Oo, gagawin mo siya ng paraan. Makapagsimula ka lang kung ano man tong gusto mong i-pursue sa life mo na nandun talaga yung passion mo. Now, your opportunity is the Eight of Wands. This is you taking action. Itong action na to, hindi lang to basta-basta isang action lang. Ito yung continuous action na talagang andun yung support. Constant, continuous. Anong tawag dyan? Consistent. May consistency in taking action para makuha mo yung gusto mo. And your blessing is the Ten of Wands. So, ibig sabihin, kahit medyo mahirap to, challenging, maraming kailangan gawin, i-accomplish, kayang-kaya mo siya. You have the strength that you need to make things happen for your pangarap, para sa mga goals mo. Diba? Oh. Palalayain mo na yung sarili mo sa limitasyon na meron ka sa trabaho na yan, or kung ano man tong sitwasyon mo na parang feeling mo hindi mo nakukuha talaga yung dine-deserve mo. Ino-open na sa'yo yung katotohanan. You are finally realizing the truth, your own truth. Na okay, hindi to para sa akin. I need to try new things and explore. And of course, you're going to work on it. So, ito yung sinasabi, parang ito yung in-explain ko kanina na kung meron ka itinanim, no? Di naman pwedeng tingnan mo lang yan hanggang sa babantayan mo hanggang sa tumubo. Siyempre, iwan mo rin yan para gawin mo yung ibang gusto, kailangan mong gawin. Pero kailangan mo pa rin alagaan. Okay? So, that's what I'm seeing for you. Sa inyong career, business, you are about to try something new, get out of your comfort zone, or aalis ka sa isang sitwasyon na hindi ka na-value to focus on ano talaga yung sa'yo. Like, something that you created, something that you started. What else, Aquarius? Personal branding. Build your personal brand, define your unique value proposition, showcase your skills online. So, ito yung na kapag nakita ka nila, alam nila agad kung ano yung nire-represent mo. Okay? Let's say magaling kang magluto. So, you are a cook, 'di ba? Ganon. Or chef. Magaling ka sa electronics o engineer ka, mga ganon. So, magkakaroon ka ng personal branding mo. You are also going to invest in your skills. Siyempre, napaka-importante na mag-invest na sa ating mga skills. Yes. Kasi yung iba, hindi sila nag-invest sa skills nila, napag-iiwanan sila. Nag-e-evolve Nag-e-evolve ang technology, nag-e-evolve ang needs ng market, ng career, ng trabaho. So, I see you na improving your skills. Yung iba sa inyo talaga, entrepreneurial spirit. Meron kayong abilities na maging negosyante. You are your own boss. I think mas magfa-function kayo ng mas maayos pag ganon. You are your own boss. See? The moon is really telling you na may changes sa buhay mo. In your career, in your finances. And there's also an exciting event coming. So, maaring ito na yung pagbabago na yan. Exciting event for you. That is going to give you guaranteed success. Congrats, Aquarius. Merong exciting event. Okay? So, itong exciting event na to will give you success. So, So, maaring iba sa inyo, events planner kayo or you are on to yung mga nag-host ng mga events, ganyan. Or sa mga yung tawag nito, yung mga convention, ganyan, exhibit, ganyan. You have the entrepreneurial skills. The time is right to access and master your abilities. Yes, you are finally accessing your abilities and mastering it. Do so with humility and control. Hold the highest vision for your life. You now possess the ability to move past any hurdles. Yes, you have the strength that you need para mas mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo at malagpasan mo kahit may mga challenges na darating. 'Di ba? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.